Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. The following three vehicles, guys, such as Chrysler 200, Fiat 500 or Dodge Ram, ProMaster, guys, and you have the 2.4 MultiAir engine. You have to replace, guys, your PCV valve. We'll show you where the PCV valve is located, how to get to it, what needs to be done to replace it and all that stuff. We have a separate video that explains the symptoms of a bad PCV valve, and this is a part that, guys, you should replace often, even though most of the people will never replace that thing. So check your manual. I think it's recommended 60,000 miles. I usually do it at about 50 an hour. Some vehicles even require it at 30,000 miles. Now we got the engine out. You do not have to remove the engine. Why we remove the engine? Because we, guys, have more than 100 videos on that engine alone. Our mission, guys, here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can, and by getting that engine out, we'll be able to show you every little detail, every bolt on that engine, how to remove and replace things. Otherwise, if it's in the car, it's impossible. So let's go ahead, start on it. Quick introduction: every car we get at the shop, we'll be making at least 200 videos, guys, so we can save you even more money. Now when you open, guys, the hood of your car, you're going to face the engine this way. Okay, right here, like that. First thing that you need to do, guys, you need to remove your engine cover. So pull straight up. You have 4 rubber bushings that attach, guys, to the valve cover. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, they attach to the valve cover, guys. And those are the points that it attaches to. Okay, you can see all this. Now, if you guys need to buy a new PCV valve or any of the tools that we use, guys, we'll have the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. So what we need to do now, right here, okay, if you come on the valve cover towards the rear right side, okay, right there, that's where that PCV valve is located, guys. You can see that little bitty black thing. This is the PCV valve, and there is one hose. So all we have to do, come on the side, and you will need to grab the hose. We'll need to find a deep 24mm socket that will fit there, and we'll be, guys, ready, okay, to remove that thing. So let's go ahead, grab it and pull it, guys. Okay, that hose, you just pull it. Inspect the hose to make sure it's not broken, that it doesn't have any leaks. Go ahead, remove the valve. It's plastic valve, nothing special about it, but it's very important for the normal operation of your engine. Otherwise it can guys, shorten the life of your engine. So that's how you guys remove the PCV valve. Installation practically is in reverse order. We took it apart. If you want to, guys, see where we purchase our parts from, check out the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.